Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 2-in-1 SD card reader from the manufacturer Acer to do a review. So let's open it up, look at its features, give it a try. Okay, let's open it up. Here's the card reader. Hand strap. Product warranty card. And a user manual. Okay, let's take a close look at the 2-in-1 SD card reader. It has two plastic caps, end caps, to protect the USB connectors, so it will connect to a USB-A port or a USB-C port. So if your computer has either one of these, then this SD card reader will work. So this is a 2-in-1 SD card reader. It will accommodate your standard SD card reader size as well as the micro SD card reader. So if you need to transfer photographs or video from your cameras, then you can use this SD card reader to transfer that to your computer. So once you plug these into your computer, this blue indicator light will come on to indicate that it's working properly, and then you should be able to read the video files onto your computer. So let's give it a try. Okay, I took time to put the little hand strap to the end of this little slot on the end of the card reader. Okay, this is my MacBook Pro, and it takes the USB Type-C connector. And I have the small micro SD card. So I'll insert that into this slot. So when I put the micro SD card, you can see the blue light came on, indicate that it is reading the card. Okay, this card reader, you can name it, but mine currently says no name, and you can see here a file that says video. And I previously recorded from my camera a video of myself. So here's a video of myself. So you can see the card light blinking, indicated that it's reading the SD card. So this SD card reader works very well. At present, I only have the micro SD card, but it will accommodate the standard SD card. You got the protective caps covering the USB, both A and C. So it should plug into any of your computers. It should work. So I recommend this Acer 2-in-1 SD card reader.